Looking up at the ceiling can actually stop your body from sneezing, even if you're right on the verge. Most people think sneezing is unstoppable once it starts, but this simple motion can disrupt the whole reflex. The urge to sneeze starts when your body senses an irritant in your nose, triggering a chain reaction in your brain. But tilting your head back and looking up changes the position of your nasal passages and can interrupt the signal your brain sends to make you sneeze. It's like hacking your own reflexes. Your muscles and nerves suddenly get mixed messages, and the sneeze is often cancelled before it even happens. Next time you feel that tickle building, don't just reach for a tissue, try looking straight up. It's a small move with a surprisingly big effect, and you might just keep that sneeze at bay.